Hello, hello. My name is Brittany Till, aka Little Brittles. That's what people like to call me. I am a personal trainer. I'm also an online fitness coach and group fitness instructor. I have personally had my own transformation over the last few years. Losing over 35 pounds really has changed my life, and I love helping people do what I did, and that's simply transforming from the inside out. So as you can tell from my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my website, wherever you found me, I'm all about helping you live your best life. That being said, today I decided to finally make this video for foam rolling. A lot of people were asking me to do this. Now, foam rolling is just really a way to help your muscles relax, release tension, help healing those connective tissues. Overall, release the muscles and keep them nice and loose. When muscles are tight, they have more of a chance to pull and get things out of alignment. So let's make sure that once a week, if we're doing any physical training as far as weightlifting, lots of cardio, really any fitness in general, you should always have one active recovery day. What I mean by that is being active, but in a way where it's healing your body. So stretching, rolling it out. So today we're gonna get loose together and foam roll. Now, one thing that I want to warn you about, whenever you foam roll, you should make sure you foam roll with warm muscles, not cold muscles. I've already done a little warm up, and something you could do would simply be a few jumping jacks, possibly some lunges. You can also tap the ground. You can circle your arms around in the back, circle them around in the front. You can do some torso rotations, get the core nice and warm. Just really loosen up everywhere. You want to make sure that the muscles are warm before you roll it out. There's a few different types of rollers you can purchase. And this is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to go too in depth, but just to show you two different types. You can find foam rollers that have ridges on them. These I find are really nice to get in those sweet spots if you have really sore, small areas. I like the kinds with the ridges. However, I do not like how small this one is. This came from Five Below, $5. This one also came from Five Below. This is a larger foam roller. As you can tell, it's about half the size of my body. And there's different, what's the word I'm looking for? As far as the way that the foam roller is built, there's harder ones, softer ones, like I said, ones with ridges, ones without. If you like a real deep tissue massage, go with a harder foam roller. So we're gonna make this real quick. I'm just gonna show you the main areas that you want to roll out. I have noticed personally with foam rolling, I feel a lot better, a lot less sore, and I can jump back into my workouts the next day pretty quickly. So first and foremost, we're gonna do the glutes. What you're gonna do, real simple, just sit on your foam roller, and I'm trying to make it to where you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm working with limited space here. So just sitting on the foam roller, my feet are flat on the ground. I'm just gonna simply roll back and forth over the glutes. Now, you want to make sure that you don't really go into the lower back here. You really just are going at the top of the glutes and then right where the hamstring and the glute connects. If you find a spot that's a little bit more sore, you can hold on that spot. You can roll back and forth. Wherever it hurts, that is your sign that you should keep it there a little longer. Okay, so you can go ahead and do that as long as you like. I'm going to move on to hamstrings. So hamstrings are a little bit tougher because you have to use your upper body. So now I'm putting the foam roller right beneath the bottom of my glutes, and my feet are coming off the ground. And just using my upper body, I'm rolling back and forward. Again, when you find that spot that's real sore, you just want to stay on it. You can go small circles. You can just put pressure. Whatever is more tolerable for you. Making sure when you're rolling the hamstrings that you do not do the backs of the knees. You stop right at the top of the knees. Now, that might be enough pressure for you. Some people need a little bit more pressure. So the way you do that is take one leg over top of the other. Now what that's doing is putting more weight now on my left hamstring. Now a lot of people at this point will like to start rolling out to their IT band, but I don't want you to do that. I want you to stay on the hamstring, go on the inside of the thigh, back of the hamstring. Let's take it to the other side, back of the hamstring, inside towards the groin. Oh, I love this feel-good pain. And remember, when you find that spot that's just real sore, you can stay right there. Oh, that's wonderful. Whew. All right, another thing that I like to do, we'll work on our IT band and the sides of our butt cheeks. So come back on the butt on the foam roller. Take the right foot over the left knee and start rolling. Now, when you do this, you'll automatically start putting more weight on that left cheek. That's exactly what I want you to do. Get into that left cheek. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the spot. And then once you've rolled out that left cheek, we can do our left IT band. So simply taking the right leg up and over and rolling it out. Now your IT band is that connective tissue from the hip to the knee. In that area, you will feel it. I swear it's always sore. Oh my God. Oh, so it's not exactly the quad and it's not the hamstring, but right in between. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Take it to the other side. Again, you can spend more time on those areas. Left foot on the left knee, rolling to the right butt cheek. Oh yeah. Get in there, and then once you're ready, you can take it all the way over into that IT band. Oh, and just pull up with your hands, push with that left foot. When you find the spot that's real sore, you can just hold it there, roll back and forth, whatever's comfortable to you. Oh. Let's work on our calves now. Calves again are a little bit harder because you got to use your upper body strength. Remember, we're not rolling the backs of the knees. Simply just putting the calves on the foam roller and going back and forth. Again, you always have that option if you need a little bit more pressure. Take one foot over top of the other and put the weight on that leg that's on the roller. Oh, that's the spot. You can roll inwards to the inside of the calf. Find that sweet spot and just hold it. You can take it to the outside of the calf. That's amazing. All right, I'm gonna do my left side now. Take my right foot over my left, starting with the outside of the calf. And calves are typically a lot sore than people tend to think they will be. Oh my God. Now, the first time I foam rolled, you guys, it seriously was so painful, like I could cry. But once your muscles get used to this, it's gonna feel amazing. It's that feel-good pain. Whew. All right, let's work on our upper back now. So taking the foam roller and making sure that you're not going down to the lower back. We don't wanna roll the kidneys. Hold your hair up, ladies. I'm gonna squish this way. And simply just putting the hands behind the head to rest the head there. I'm gonna roll down a little bit so you can see me better. Whew. And I'm just rolling the upper half of my back, keeping the hips lifted. Oh, it feels great. Now what we're doing when we foam roll is we're increasing the circulation in the muscles. That helps us heal the muscles. Oh, it feels great. We're gonna go ahead and take it into our lats. Now, lats for me, I do pull-ups, I do push-ups, I do tricep push-ups, all those things, I swear, really work the lats. So my lats are always super sore. Essentially going from the armpit to the bottom of the ribs. Oh. Again, just crossing the left foot over the right. Opening the elbows. Go to the bottom of the ribs and up to the armpit. Oh my God. And I could just hold right here for hours, I swear. I feel it just releasing. Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, I'll take it to the other side so this video is not an hour long. Again, going from the armpit down to the bottom of the ribs. I'm taking my right leg over top of my left. Oh my God. And again, it's always up to you. You can do small ups and downs. You can find that good spot. Just hold it like I'm doing right now. Whew, does that feel good pain? Wonderful. And let's do one last area. Let's work on the quads. So, our quads, again, be very careful that we're not rolling the kneecaps. So, I'm putting my weight of my quads on the foam roller. Hands planted on the ground, and I'm just pulling up and back. Whew. You can take it onto the outside. Now, what I like to do, one knee opens up, and then the outside of the opposite leg really can get a nice, deep penetration from the foam roller. Again, working that IT band. And you can come on the inside too of that other leg and get the groin. Take it to the other side here. So now I'm opening up my left knee on the foam roller. And you can put your forearms on the ground. Here, let me take this back a little. You can put your forearms on the ground too if it's easier for you. Oh, and just getting into those quads, the outside of that thigh. Then you can open up the knee, get on the inside, that groin area. You will feel the spots that need more work. And for me, the quads tend to be another one of those areas that I could foam roll for days. Oh, that's nice. One last little thing that I like to do is a quick hip flexor and hamstring stretch, just to kind of stretch things out. So sitting the butt on the ground, foam roller directly behind the back. I'm just gonna put it on my lower back, slowly lean backwards. Okay, so now I have my low back, top of the butt on the foam roller. Take the right knee in, straighten out the left leg, and then I like to fully extend and just pull through. Get a nice hamstring stretch. Okay. Hold the foam roller. Bring that knee in. Pull. Straighten it out. Hamstring stretch. And again, make sure you grab the foam roller as you roll up. And I hope that you guys enjoyed my quick foam rolling video here from my tiny 2-bedroom apartment in my workout room. So this goes to show that you can do exercises, foam rolling anywhere. You don't have to have a workout room, no special equipment. Go to Five Below, get a foam roller, and put it in your house. Give it a shot. It feels great. Everyone have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.